Hello kids, welcome to Penpencil. Hope you are all doing great. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Also hit on bell icon to get notifications for new videos. Now come on, we'll start the topic of the day. What is the topic of the day? CL sound words. What is CL? Beginning blend words. CL is beginning blend words. This is consonant blend words. We are combining two letters and making a sound. When we are combining these two consonant blend words, we have to pronounce it as the beginning word should be strong and the second word should be light. Like CL, what do you say? Cl, cl, cl. Okay, let us start reading these words. Okay kids, come on, when I am telling, you have to repeat after me. Okay, come on, start. Clown, 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 clown. Class, 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 class. Clap, 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 clap. Clay, 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 clay. Claw, 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 claw. Clean, 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 clean. Clothes, clothes, clothes. Cloud, 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 cloud. Clinic, clinic, clinic. Clock, 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 clock. Clip, clip, clip. Click, click, click. Now let us also see the related figures related to these words. Okay? Clown. What is clown? Clown means it's a joker. Clown, joker. Class. Everyone will go to school daily. So you have seen your class, isn't it? Yes. Clap. What is clap? These are claps. Okay? When someone does any good thing, we have to clap for them. Okay? Clay, clay. Claw. This is claw. Clean. We have to keep our home very cleanly. Keep your belongings very clean. Okay? That's the good habit. Okay kids? You have to be always very clean. Clothes. What do you wear? Clothes. Cloud. We can see clouds in the sky. Clinic. Whenever you does not feel well, you will be going to clinic. Who will be there in the clinic? Doctor. Clock. Where do we see our time? We see in our clocks. Clip. What do we keep in our hair? Clips. Clip. Click. Click on that button. That is known as click. Okay? Have you understood? Repeat all this once again and learn. Okay? Thank you for watching this video kids. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you feel it helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Also hit on bell icon to get notifications for new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.